Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing one of the most accurate major price peak Forex trading MT4 indicators. When the price reaches the major peak level, this indicator system accurately catches that moment, and shows you in the form of a graph that the price is now at the major peak level and reversal is possible from this level. This indicator will make your analysis much more precise and your trades more accurate, and you will be able to open transactions in line with the big traders. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. When the red line of the major peak indicator given below in the chart touches the topmost line 25 level, then understand that the bullish trend here is at the major peak level, and trend reversal is possible from this level. And here this would be a right opportunity to take a sell trade. Similarly, when the white line of the major peak indicator given below in the chart touches the uppermost line 25 level, then understand that here the bearish trend is at the major peak level, and trend reversal is possible from this level. And this would be a right opportunity to take a buy trade here. Take profit level will be the risk to reward ratio is 1:1. Best work for 30 minutes. Also avoid trading during news release time. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. Let us analyze the signals of other currency pairs to understand more closely. According to our trading rules, this is the perfect buy trade setup on this chart. According to our trading rules, this is the perfect buy trade setup on this chart. According to our trading rules, this is the perfect sell trade setup on this chart. According to our trading rules, this is the perfect sell and buy trade setup on this chart. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to tasting this indicator signals, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. So let's start now. Join my Telegram channel to download this indicator for free. The link is given in the description below the video. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. and that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.